Do you love helping out in the kitchen or want to learn how? Cooking can be fun, creative, and a great way to help your family. Today, we're going to explore the basics of cooking for kids, starting with safety, simple skills, and tasty ideas you can try at home. Number 1. Start with safety. Before we do anything in the kitchen, we need to be safe. Here's what to remember. Wash your hands with soap and water before you start. Ask an adult to help, especially when using the stove, oven, or sharp tools. Tie back long hair and roll up sleeves. Keep your workspace clean and wipe up spills quickly. Always use oven mitts when handling hot things. Number 2. Learn your tools. Here are a few basic kitchen tools you'll probably use. Measuring cups and spoons. Mixing bowl. Whisk or spoon. Spatula. Cutting board and butter knife. Start with easy tools and learn how to use each one safely and confidently. Number 3. Cooking helps you learn. Cooking isn't just fun, it helps you practice important skills. Reading and following directions, measuring and counting, timing and sequencing, staying organized and cleaning up. Number 4. Celebrate your effort. Even if things don't come out perfectly, trying your best in the kitchen is a big win. Cooking helps build independence, confidence, and creativity. Keep going! Write it down or draw it out. Then, ask a grown-up to help you try it. Not sure where to start? Check out our favorite no-bake recipes so you can try at home or in the classroom. Keep cooking, keep learning, and have fun. You're building skills that last a lifetime. For more information and resources related to cooking, head to twinkl.com.